Our last class, we treated fractions and we focused on addition and subtraction. But today, we are going to treat multiplication and division. So, as you can see, we have about 3 cases here, A, B, C. And we are to simplify this. So we'll start from A. The A part of it is 2 over 5 times 15 over 16. What you do, let me just write it out here. Over 5 times 15 over 16. The first thing you do, you check the number that can cancel the other. Any of the number that can divide the other, you focus on it first. As you can see, we have 2 here, we have 16. And we know that 2 can divide 16. So we say, if 2 cancels itself, it will give us 1. If 2 divides this, we have 8. Then we come to the second one, 5 and 15. If 5 cancels itself, 5 divides itself, we have 1. 5 will divide it and give us what? 3. What do we now have? We have 1 and the 8, 1 and the 3, equal to 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 8 is 8. And that's the answer for the first one. Now, let's go to the second one, which is 6 over 7 times 21 over 54. 6 over 7 times 21 over 54. Now, we check a number that can divide the other. Now, I know that 7 can divide itself and give 1. And 7 can divide 21 and give me what? 3. 6 and 54. If you don't believe this can cancel this, you know that there is a small number that can divide these 2. 2 can divide it and give us 3, and divide this 1 and give us 27. But if you use this direct, you cancel this 1, give 1, cancel this 1, it will give us what? 9. So we now have 1 times 3, 3, or rather, since we have 3 here, we have 9 here. We are going to use 3 and cancel 9. As long as we have some number that can divide the other, we cancel. 3 divides itself 1, 3 dividing 3. Now we have 1 over 3 as our answer. Now let's come to C. The C is 2 whole number, 2 whole number, 2 over 3 times 1 whole number, 1 over 4 times 1 whole number, 2 over 7. So the first thing we do in this case is we change it to improper fractions. So how do we change to improper fraction? By using the denominator to multiply the whole number and we add the numerator. What I mean is this equal to 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Right? 8 over the denominator, which is 3. Then we put our multiplication multiplication sign. The second one is 4. 1 number 1 over 4. Now we use 4 to multiply this and we add this. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 over the denominator. Then we put our multiplication sign again. Now we come to the third one. 7 multiply 1 give us 7 plus 2. We have 9 over 7. So these are improper fractions. What do we do next? We start to cancel. We check which one will divide the other. The first one I'm seeing here is that 4 will divide itself and give us 1, and divide this one and give us 2. See? Then 3 will divide itself and give us 1, and we divide it and give us 3. What do we have again? There is no number under that can divide any of these, or these that can divide any of these. So what do? We multiply them through. 2 times 5 is 10, which is have 2 times 5. Okay, 2 number. Then 5 over 1 times 3 over 7. This is what we have. Then we multiply 3. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 3 is 10. What do we have here? 30 over 1 times 1 times 7 is 7. As you can see, this answer is 30 over 7. But the answer is still improper. We have to change it to mixed fraction. How do we change it to mixed fraction? We use 7 to divide 30. Anything we get, we write the whole number. The remainder becomes numerator, while we still have our denominator as 7. So now 30 over 7 equals 7 divide 30. We have what? We have 7 divide 30. 7 we divide with 8 and give us 4. So we write our 4 here. Now the 2 that made it 30 is what we have as the remainder all over the denominator. This is our answer. Okay, let's come to division. We have 3 cases here. The first one is 7 number. Sorry, the first one is 7 over 8 divided by 21 over 4. Now let's sum it here. 7 over 8 divided by 21 over 4. Then what do we have here? Now we write 7 over 8. We use keep and flip. So you keep the first portion, you flip the other first portion, and you change the sign to multiplication. So we use the keep and the flip. We flip this one, second portion, which is 21, which is 4 here, over 21, because we changed the sign to multiplication. So it's very simple now. The So what do? We change it to improper fraction. First, now we have 5 times 1. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 6 plus 4 is 9. All over 5 divided by 25 times 3 should be 75 plus 6, 81. 81 over 25. So next step is to keep the first portion, flip the second portion, which is equal to 9 over 5 times you flip the second portion, which is 25 over 81. Now we look for what we cancel the other. 9 we cancel itself, 1 cancel it and give us 9. 5 will cancel itself, 1 cancel it and give us 5. So we now have 1 times 5 is what? 5 over 1 times 9 is 9, which is our answer. Now let's come to the third case, which is 1 whole number 1 over 14 divided by 15 over 8. 1 whole number 1 over 14 divided by 15 over 8, which is equal to, first of all, change the first portion to improper fraction. We have 14 times 1 is 14 plus 1, which is 15 over 14 divided by 15 over 8. Now we use the keep and flip method to change the sign, which is 15 over 14 times we flip the other one, which is 8 over 15. Now we cancel, which we do 15 with cancel 15 1. What else we go? What we go between it and this? 2 we go. 2 go here, we have 4. If 2 go here, we have 7. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 times 1 is 7. That's our answer.